welcome to our video. In this video, we will talk about a balanced scorecard. For those of you who are used to dealing with human resource management or performance management, you must be familiar with the balanced scorecard. On this occasion, there are several things that we will discuss about evaluation of strategies using balanced scorecard at ABC Company from an internal business process perspective. First of all, let's talk about the balanced scorecard. A strategic management technique called the balanced scorecard or BSC is used to track and evaluate an organization's performance from a number of fair angles. BSC, which was first presented by Dr. Robert Kaplan and David Norton in the early 1990s, helps businesses realize their vision and mission by converting strategic goals into quantifiable and trackable performance indicators. The balanced scorecard strategy places more of an emphasis on ongoing development than it does on reaching predetermined targets such as making a billion rupiah profit. An organization may lose its competitive edge if it doesn't make ongoing changes.
In the balanced scorecard, organizational performance is measured through four main interrelated perspectives, namely financial perspective, customer perspective, internal business process perspective, and learning and growth perspective. But in this session, we will only focus on the internal business process perspective. Without any further ado, let me explain what it is about. So, this perspective is an internal corporate governance process that must be implemented. The internal processes that need to be carried out are those related to the creation of products and services that will ultimately attract and retain customers in a market that can meet shareholder expectations. The internal business process perspective in the balanced scorecard is an effective tool to help companies understand and improve their critical processes. By focusing on innovation, operations, and after-sales service, companies can create more value for customers and achieve better financial results. Proper implementation of this analysis will support better strategic decision-making and increase competitiveness in the global market.
Okay, so in here we have a case that will directly apply the concept of balanced scorecard, especially in the internal business process perspective. We will measure the performance of ABC Company. This company has the following data for one of its manufacturing cells. The first one is theoretical velocity, which is 10 units per hour, then available productive minutes per year, which is $300,000, and then annual conversion fee, which is $1,200,000, and the last one is actual velocity, which is 6 units per hour. Other time-based operations calculate manufacturing cycle efficiency or MCE is processing time times brackets processing time plus move-in time plus inspection time plus waiting time. To calculate the actual conversion cost per unit, the first one we have to know the standard cost per minute with the formula annual conversion fee divided by available productive minutes per year, and it is $1,200,000 divided by $300,000, and the result for the standard cost per minute is $4 per minute. The second one we have to calculate the actual cycle time, and it is 60 minutes divided by 6 units, and the result for the actual cycle time is 10 minutes per unit. The third one we have to calculate the actual conversion cost, and the formula is standard cost per minute times the actual cycle time. It is $4 times 10, and the result for the actual conversion cost is $40 per unit. After that, we have to calculate the theoretical conversion cost per unit. To calculate this, we have the same steps as the previous, which is the standard cost per minute is $1,200,000 divided by $300,000, and the result is $4 per minute. The same as the actual cycle time, it is 60 minutes divided by 10 units, and the result for the actual cycle time is 6 minutes per unit. And then we have to calculate the actual conversion cost. It is standard cost per minute times actual cycle time. So it is $4 times 6, and the result for actual conversion cost is $24 per unit. From the calculation we have done, we will utilize the data to demonstrate the MCE. The predicted and actual cycle times are 6 and 10 minutes respectively. Thus, the MCE is determined as follows, and the wasted time is 4 minutes. It is 10 minutes minus 6 minutes, and the MCE is 6 minutes divided by 10 minutes, and the result for the MCE is 0.6.
From the case example, we can conclude that this process is quite efficient according to the MCE measurement. Many manufacturing companies have an MCE of less than 0.05. In addition, the actual and theoretical conversion cost per unit can be reduced from $40 to $24 by reducing the cycle time from 10 minutes per unit to 6 minutes per unit, or increasing the speed from 6 units per hour to 10 units per hour. At the same time, the goal of improving delivery performance was achieved.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully, the explanation of how to calculate the balance scorecard can help you understand the concept and its application for evaluating business performance.